Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling. I'm standing in the kitchen of this beautiful basement we just finished remodeling. It's yards off of the lake, a beautiful area where our clients can come in, enjoy some refreshments as they've spent their day on the lake. Behind me is the kitchenette. Although it's almost a full kitchen, the only thing it lacks is an oven. We have a beautiful full-size refrigerator, a dishwasher, an ice maker. And I love this island. Seating on both sides, something that our clients can come in from a day at the lake, enjoy a lunch, enjoy a dinner. There's a set of lockers that they can store all their towels and things from the lake. As well as shower off in a full-size bathroom. As our clients come in off the lake, they can enjoy a little bit of TV on the big screen, play a little ping pong, but ultimately enjoy a little bit of lake life. In addition, on this level, we have a gym that we've built out for our clients. We have a rubber floor, a wall of mirrors, a sauna, a great area for them to come down, exercise. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. On this level, and really have a nice day at, oh, what am I talking about? Or play a little ping pong. And enjoy this lower level. Have some gaming, watch the... That's all you need. And a really great area for our clients to have a workout and do whatever. And